Okay, so we are back. We are ready to tackle the scary part.
Give me the snips.
Are you gonna cut the red wire or the red wire?
I think we should start with the red wire. No?
Yeah, no, do the white one. Oh, I should also say how we know that it's fine. I may or may not have figured out how to actually discharge the system, and I completely disconnected all the wires. So, I mean...
We should be good.
Yeah, so here's the thing. These are the wires going to the system, and you can just touch them. You can put them all in your mouth. So...
All right, let's snip.
There's obviously no power.
Oh my god, it's gone!
This can come out now and kind of just like exist. Oh, look at that. I'm doing something bad here. I really don't know. Oh, it's naked now. Oh, our vacuum.
Whoa.
We have successfully exposed the whole machine to air, which is bad for it.
It's officially dead.
Yeah, we're killing it. It's okay.
Boom. Boom.
Oh my god! The electron source!
Oh my god.
It's raining bolts.
The electron source, guys, we did it. Look at the filament. Don't touch it, man. That's the source.
Oh, it's dead now, man.
Okay, so that's gone.
There's handcuffs.
Zach, you can put it on. It's the high voltage shackle. You put it on, we plug it in.
Oh, maybe not.
We did.
We did it! Okay.
Whoa.
Another one of these bad boys.
That's a fun little piece. Come on.
Yeah. Cameraman Zach, I present to you
Yeah.
Cyberpunk Dingle Dangle.
I like it.
I think it's just magnetically holding on. Yeah.
There we go.
Wow.
There might be some bolts that are... Oh!
Whoa.
Oh, wait, be careful.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Whoa!
I feel like we could use this.
That's
for
a nice
something.
piece of metal.
Okay, take this bad boy off. Oof. Okay. Look at that.
See that?
We messed up the interior. Don't look at it. It's hideous. Okay, there. Wear this.
This is the crown of the
The
SEM.
crown of honor.
The SEM crown.
Here we are.
There you
It's a
go.
beautiful crown.
Take off it.
All right, and more bolts.
I was gonna say, if we were strong
Ooh,
enough.
that looks high tech.
It goes into the dome.
Whoa.
Every single part.
We are now a
Peed on me! There we go. Another board recovered. Safely. Question now is, what is still holding this thing on?
It might be welded to the base,
No, I don't think so.
or maybe it's. Oh,
Gravity. Gravity.
this
was-
thing's just really heavy.
Yeah. Yeah, we're good, we're good. Okay. Let's flip around. Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
That's it. There's officially no more SEM. But what we have is this really useful vibration isolation cable. We got that plus all of our amazing things. Look at our haul.
This is an amazing haul.
Yeah.
This is actually giving me anxiety. Look at all those. Look at all those wires.
We did good here today. And Nick, once you sort and organize all of the screws, we're gonna have just like we're gonna have so many screws and bolts. Okay. Anyway, bye.